India will assume the presidency of the United Nations Security Council on August 1, 2021. This means India will set the monthly agenda and will be in charge of scheduling major meetings and dealing with other issues. India has already been appointed to the United Nations Security Council as a non-permanent member for a 2-year term, beginning January 1, 2021. So far, India has been president of the body for 9 times. India will be represented in the UNSC by Ambassador T.S. Tirumurti. He is the permanent representative to the United Nations. Tirumurti said, India would focus on peacekeeping during its presidency, with the theme of protecting the protectors. During its presidency, India aims to focus on the following subjects, like, India will work to ensure that more women battalions participate in peacekeeping missions. Next, India will concentrate on African issues. Many Africa-related challenges, such as Sudan, South Sudan, Mali, and the Sahel region, the rise of terrorism in Africa, Libya, Ethiopia, and the Central African Republic, are a top priority. India to deal with the current situation in Afghanistan and Myanmar. In light of the current state of affairs in Afghanistan, India expressed its desire for Afghanistan to be independent, peaceful, democratic, and prosperous, and want an immediate end to the violence, as well as assurances that terrorism, separatism, and extremism do not threaten their neighbors. And in light of Myanmar's current scenario, India stated, we demand for the rule of law to be upheld, and the democratic process in Myanmar, which we have always supported, and we have demanded the release of political detainees. How is India dealing with the fight against terrorism in the United Nations Security Council? India has raised terrorist-related problems in the Security Council and will organize a signature event during its presidency, calling on other countries to collaborate and combat terrorism, particularly in the financing of terrorism. On January 1, 2022, India will take over as chair of the Security Council's Counterterrorism Committee. Finally, about the reforms of Security Council. In response to UNSC reforms, India stated that the UN is still stuck in the same spot. It is the reality that the United Nations has been in existence for 75 years. However, its decision-making structures are still stuck in 1945 and do not represent the world today. India stated, if we are to move decisively towards a concrete outcome, then a transparent, inclusive, and results-oriented process is vital. Unfortunately, a few nations are obstructing the reform process by using the Intergovernmental Negotiating Forum for Security Council progress as a cover to prevent reform.